In this video, I cover the acquisition of an item of property, plant and equipment as it is discussed in chapter 13 in the textbook. I'm Carsten Berkau, full accounting professor in Osnabrück. My BasicsClips will help you to understand international bookkeeping. On the 1st of August 2006, PAHANG Limited acquires the manufacturing machine. The cost of acquisition equal 89,000 euros and are paid by bank transfer instantly. The cost of acquisition are 89,000 euros. The company pays the amount instantly, which means we have to make a credit entry in the cash bank account. Instead of the property, plant and equipment account, the company can use an account which is dedicated to that particular machine. For example, we say debit entry CNC machine, or we just either identify a business car by its license plate. In the first place, we record the acquisition in the property, plant and equipment account. For the contra entry, we apply the cash bank account. The bookkeeping entry is debit entry PPE, credit entry cash bank. We are going to prepare a register of non-current assets for PAHANG. We do it at the time of the acquisition, which is the 1st of August in 2006. The manufacturing machine has been bought at 89,000. So the carrying value will be 89,000 as we do not consider depreciation at this stage. In contrast to the textbook, I now cover input VAT, and I want to discuss what happens if we only pay half of the amount. The cost of acquisition are still the same. But now the input VAT is to be calculated 20% multiplied by the 89,000. That gives us 17,800. So now our bookkeeping entry is a debit entry, property, plant and equipment, and further debit entry for value-added tax. We said we want to have two credit entries because we want to consider that only half of the payment has been made. So we make a credit entry in the accounts payables and another credit entry in the cash bank account. Both are to the extent of 53,400. Next, we want to discuss the entries if half of the payment only has been made and value-added tax is relevant. The cost of acquisition will always be entered in the property, plant and equipment account. With regard to the register of the non-current assets, nothing will change. On the balance sheet, we just enter the number 89,000 in property, plant and equipment. We enter the input VAT claim in the accounts receivables accounts. Now that you have seen the video, take the textbook and study the case.